Check out this pre-owned 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 136,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and tow hooks. Shop by confidence. We have a biggest selection of used trucks for sale. Just check out our website on the Get Pre-Approved tab and get approved in 5 minutes. We also offer rates as low as 3.19% on approved credit, and can take all vehicles, paid for or not, on trade. Value your trade-in. More questions? Just call or text us at 281-377-9444.